Hi everyone, and welcome to week 4. This is a writing week. You should be working on your personal narrative, and that will be taking up a lot of your time. I've included your week 4 media here. I have a chapter and a couple of videos talking about rhetorical situation that will help you think deeply about narrative writing and about our course and learning outcomes in general. On the 15th, I'd like you to turn in a brainstorm that's asking you important questions to get you thinking about your draft, and then you'll submit an actual draft of your paper on the 19th. It doesn't have to be polished. I just want to see where you are at the moment, because next week we're going to be engaging in a peer review where you're sending out your draft to people in our class, and so I will only let you engage in the peer review if you have an approved draft by me first. So you'll submit that by Sunday. Looking forward to seeing you all in class on Tuesday.